Hello, on this very chilly Friday, I have some very exciting news that I've been wanting to share, and now I can, or I will, share with you about my biggest challenge. And this is going to be next year in 2019 in May, and I'm so excited. And all the confirmed rider list is now online, so I wanted to share it with you because I know I'm definitely doing it. And yeah, so basically it is called All Points North, and if you know me and you've obviously been watching my channel, then you know that I love the north of England a lot, especially for its climbing, for its moorland, for just how remote it is. I just absolutely love it, and I've done so many Audaxes up here, and it's just so good. And so this All Points North ride is literally based around 10 checkpoints in the north of England. And I was like, I really want to do it, although I'm a little bit scared because it's 1,000 kilometers over 3 days. So you start on the Friday night and you've got until like Monday night to get back. I mean, it's not a set time of like you have to be back by Monday night. I think they're opening the last like checkpoint until like Tuesday the day after. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I've got about 3 days to do it. So shall we have a quick look at it? Because I want to share it with you because I do think it is absolutely just amazing. I'm so excited to do it. As you can probably tell, I am a little bit nervous, but I'm going to put the training in over winter and like start of next year. So fingers crossed it will go okay. So here we are. All Points North, hashtag Ride Up North. That's just like captured my heart straight away. So yeah, shall we have a look at the checkpoints? Because the checkpoints are what make this ride just so epic. It is unsupported and there is no actual route, so you plot your own route around these 10 checkpoints. I probably should have explained that at the start. Yeah, you plot your route around these 10 points. No, around your route about these. I can't even speak, get it in around. Let me just show you these 10 checkpoints. So let's have a look at these controls. So at each control, you just take a photograph. There's not going to be people there like on an Audax. So not that there always is on Audaxes, but yeah. So these are the 10 locations. So we start off in Sheffield, which is there. So let's have a look. Let's start from the top. We've got Kielder, which is the Scottish border. We've got Great Dunfell. Great Dunfell. I am very fond of this place. You've seen my videos when I've climbed this. This is an epic climb in itself. So doing this like with all your like sleeping stuff is going to be a challenge in itself. So yeah, Great Dunfell, which is just love that. Love that climb. Tan Hill Inn. So Tan Hill is the highest pub in England. I've done it on an Audax. It was a 200k Audax and it was a monster day of climbing. Even just to get to that point, it was so it just felt like you were climbing for so long, and then this little pub pops out of nowhere. So yeah, got Tan Hill. We've got Whitby Abbey, and if you know Whitby is hilly AF. There's just some amazing hills around there. We've got Arnside Promenade. We've got Brimham Rocks. Flamborough Lighthouse. I've done this one now. Slaburn, which is hilly again around that. I mean, a lot of this is going to be hilly. And then Haworth. So, and then, oh no, I've clicked on that. I didn't want to click on it. And then back to Event HQ back in Sheffield. So I'm going to leave a link to the website if you are interested to have a little look. I think it's just on a wait list now, so if you did want to do it, there is a wait list for it, so you still might be able to get to do it, but I love having something like ahead that I'm like going to be training for, and that's going to be like my reason for doing like lots of rides over winter. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, share my excitement, and just let you know what I'm doing really, because I just love having like that. I think this year it was always going to be like Ride Across Britain was like my motivator for like doing rides. I was like, oh well, I've got that at the end of the year, so I need to be doing this and this. And I know I said that in like my motivation video of like having like something to focus on, and this for me is my thing to focus on. So very exciting. On the actual ride itself, I will be filming bits of it. I'm not going to be doing it on this camera. I'm probably going to be taking a GoPro because, not that it is classed as a race, but I'm not going to be stopping like filming. I'll just be filming bits on my GoPro as I go. Sleep wise, I will be bivvying. I'll be taking a sleeping bag, a bivvy and getting some shut-eye, a couple of fields maybe. So I'm going to be doing a lot of like, not training for that, but I'm going to go out and just get used to sleeping outside because I've not done that before. And yeah, I will be filming a lot of that, like my training up to it. So if you've got any questions about it, then let me know. And if you're doing it, also let me know if you're one of the riders doing it. I think there's only about 65 riders doing it, so it's not massive, but it's the first year that they've done it. So I'm very excited to be taking part. So that is it for this video. If you've got any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you on Monday for another video. Have a lovely weekend. I will be on the bike for sure and getting some training in, ready for All Points North. Right, see you later. Bye.